God Power and Christiana Samson. That clapping is not enough. When Mama Enam ceremony usemnyele odini memme ni na manyeko song dama anantena and the ante weken wenbenye. The Salvation Army is a vital part of the Universal Church of Christ, and as such requires godly men and women to undertake spiritual leadership after their period of training as officers of the Salvation Army. Majors God Power and Christiana Samson, as you prepare to accept the charge placed upon you, we share with you the deep conviction that the making of this appointment has been in response to God's guidance. The God who called both of you into service, the God who was with you when you signed your covenants and received your commissions as Salvation Army officers, the God who has sustained you through the years is the God who today will empower you for the responsibilities which are now placed upon you. Major God Power Samson, as the Divisional Commander, you will have the duty and privilege of the care of all Salvation Army activity in this division. Do you rely on the Lord to enable you for the task? Do you promise to uphold the Bible as the only divine rule of Christian faith and practice, and make every effort to help Salvationists under your direction to hold the doctrines sacred and to maintain the integrity of its message?
I do.